Yeah.
Come here, bro. I think I heard something. Coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. Why you here?
I fucking know. I heard something.
Yo. What's this?
I got a door for you.
Hey, thanks, man. It's the bathroom? Oh, the locker room? It looks like the lockers. Yo.
Yo, what the? Hey, yo, can I have some privacy? Can I have some privacy? Hold on.
What the fuck? Yo, God, you mad at me? Yo.
I didn't say I was gonna pee. I said I gotta use the bathroom.
I didn't know you were gonna take a shit in the fucking vantage spot.
For a reason. Nah, let's go, bro. You're nasty.
You nasty, man. You're out the team, man. We're cutting you. We're cutting
I
you,
didn't
man.
even finish. I still got shit in my pants.
Let's go inside and do it. Fuck.
I think I can pull a picture with those things that like spawning.
Those rocks spawn?
Yeah, those rocks.
That's scary as hell.
That does look scary as hell.
Alright, is this the intro?
You see that?
It's a campfire.
That's a campfire, dude.
Yeah, it's a campfire.
I think someone's in here.
There's someone homeless probably.
Yeah. We should probably make sure he's in here. Should we go talk to him first?
You there?
No, I'm just saying, should we go talk first? So we don't get interrupted. Okay.
You there?
Yo. Is someone in here?
Oh, we closed. That doesn't look like someone's home, bro. Someone just started a fire and left.
Someone just made that.
What up, Rock City fam? And this is the Parade Factory. And I don't know the info, so you gotta ask my boy over here.
Well, what I know is that this was founded in 1888. Now, I don't know when it shut down, but obviously it shut down. Right now we see a fire right here, so we're not sure if there's anyone in here.
There's probably someone in here, but we haven't seen anyone, so we gotta watch our backs.
We gotta be careful over here.
Especially for these doors,
Let's get to
though.
What doors?
Over there, look.
What doors?
That door over there. There's... You walk off, you fall. Yeah.
You're lying.
Look, you walk off that door.
Oh, that door.
Look, you
Yeah, I
gotta be
see.
careful, man. You gotta look both ways, you know? It's Chirac for a reason.
Where's the stairs at?
I seen stairs. My bad. We were talking about the best merch, I forgot the stairs.
Shut up. What you gotta say about this?
Huh?
What you gotta say about this?
About what? About his clothing brand?
Yeah. It's not even his
my
clothing,
man. It's
bro.
Logan cost. Come on.
Rock City Explorers?
Don't disrespect Logan like that.
Rock City Explorer?
Don't disrespect Logan like that.
Okay. Watch your step, because there's doors that lead to nothing.
Oh yeah, I forgot it was good.
This is what Joe said most of the time when he played basketball.
The bench.
This is what Joe said. And every time we play basketball.
No, it is not. Taru was here the whole game. The why?
Ouch.
You're a what?
No, man.
It's on video.
Wait.
Look.
Hey man, we're at the Y. I shot. Play. Joe. Joe was not good.
No, it's not. I was literally a starter. He's just hating him.
Hey.
Is this picture worthy?
Hell yeah. Alright. To be honest, a big building, but it doesn't look like there's much.
Yes, it's loud.
Right here?
Yeah.
It's my guess.
Oh yeah, because it's a big second.
That's probably where an elevator was.
Yeah, that's how it looks like in the top of elevators, like the spring kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yep, definitely. Want to jump on?
I had no idea you could do that with the bus, like extended. Yeah,
Oh, what the fuck?
What?
I didn't know you could extend the flashlight.
This exit?
Oh yeah, you can.
I didn't know that.
You wanna go higher?
Oh, that's cool.
See those?
Huh?
I was gonna say, how did you not see those?
You thought on that, you're definitely dead. Actually, no, you're alive.
What's that?
Yeah, this little thing right there. Like mushy?
Yeah.
Oop, didn't go hit that either.
There's a door.
The mailroom?
Door? That's not the way.
I know why the cage bird sings.
Oh, shit. Oh, there's a door.
Oh, damn.
Oh shit, that's scary.
Imagine closing it and opening it.
Stay away, buddy. Oh shit! Never mind.
Let me see how it looks. I want to see.
Dang, that shit.
They just shaky as hell.
Oh, no, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
You're 100%
You're
dead.
100% dead. How much to see over here?
Tell the shit. There's stairs over here.
Oh, that's a smoking now.
Yeah, the smoke is coming out.
Is the chicken a biter? She's down there.
There's wet over here.
And there's a bit.
Huh?
Is that the same smoke from down there?
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna do this?
Yeah. Look my balance. Oh shit, never mind.
Where's it gonna lead us to?
Upstairs. I know my way.
Boy, you never been here.
I'm a professional explorer.
What the fuck is up there?
Oh.
It's like smoke everywhere. You can't see it in the camera, but there's literally smoke everywhere. It's coming over there from where the fire was.
There's like little holes everywhere.
Yeah. There's smoking everywhere.
Hey. Shh, there's FedEx right there. I don't want them to miss my package.
Take a picture. What's that quick?
Damn, bro. That fire.
This one.
I think they can see it now on the camera.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
And there's way on the boat too.
Take a picture.
Oh, that's other factory right here. Yeah.
It does look pretty cool. can see the whole city from here. Look. Hope it's not focusing.
No, that's Elvis, right?
Elvis.
Johnny Bravo?
Johnny Bravo.
Nah. You know what that reminds you of? The old Jesse.
What?
The
Middle
old.
school Jesse.
How does that look like middle
The
school?
middle school. That's the Jesse I miss. The middle school Jesse.
We talked like 8th grade.
That's good enough.
Like one class.
That's good enough.
We built little robots together.
That's good enough.
Yeah, build the.
Polygons and charms.
It reminds me of the old Joe. The middle
Old
school
Joe, I remember
That doesn't
Joe.
look anything
I remember
like
that
me.
one.
That looks like middle school Joe. Middle school Joe was there.
That was you.
That was that.
In your dreams.
I guess I'll talk about it. You're not talking.
There's nothing to talk about here.
She's not just making other cool jokes.
We're trying to go to the bathroom. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. I'll see ya.
Alright. Oh, he did. His flashlight. He's trying to see.
What the fuck? This little ass flashlight.
Oh, just. Don't
That doesn't look like a bathroom. Extend it though. Oh. This don't look like a bathroom. Oh shit.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Looks like a fountain.
This is legend kind of bathroom, though.
What is a bathroom?
This is bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, bathroom.
What's up, Rube? Oh, there's a cool mirror over there.
We got the
It's Elrod's home.
bar right here.
Why do you walk like that? Why the fuck are you walking like that?
Okay, this is where you. This is for the fine wine right here.
Hmm.
You just start cranking this. No, it's off.
This is keep walking. Para ir para arriba.
Yes.
I guess. Same.
You scared?
A little bit.
Okay, what's the way up there?
Crazy.
You get a nice view of the city from there too.
We're already
There's a
here.
bird in here.
Where?
Cool, man.
Oh. No, I thought he said something else. Yeah, bro, I'm scared of birds.
Guys, Joe scared of me.
Definitely.
Alright, Patrick being scared of birds.
Shut.
What if a bird was attacking you?
Man, that's okay.
That's okay. Very loud. Stop doing it. What's up? What's up? That looks like the death of our life.
So we keep walking?
I don't know.
You guys want to go on the roof?
But how, where is that going to lead to?
I think it's this way a turn.
Think so?
Because you know how the building is rectangle.
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah, I think right there.
Our failure. Rock City explores the.
That fire's not that old, I don't think.
Bro, that just
It's
happened.
getting spread out more.
Imagine if it gets bigger, we have to run.
Yeah, I don't think we did something.
Hell yeah, they're gonna think we did that. Be eliminated immediately.
In my opinion, I think John Cena's like top 2.
I think John Cena's better than Jeezy. I think John Cena's a better rapper than Jeezy. As a white boy. Yeah, I definitely don't want to walk to that.
As Root walks.
I root walk straight to it.
You dare me to hang on to that and take a picture?
Bro, if you hang on to that, I'll give you $300.
I wouldn't do that.
What?
Look into my Chris. Keep going, alright?
You can move it too.
Keep walking.
Keep walking, buddy. No, it's good. Fuck that. We'll sleep over there.
Is there really?
No,
Ooh.
50.
That's
That's the way down.
Who wants to go first?
I'll go first. It's
Are these the same stairs that I took?
Yeah.
I'm dying. Not today.
Oh, hell no, we're not going up there.
You're not?
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh.
It's like some Avengers shit.
Serious. Huh. What if we climb this?
Let me see it.
Hey,
What
record
do
like
you
10
do?
seconds. Huh.
Are you gonna climb it?
No, I'm just gonna look.
Should I just get off you so you can look?
Nah, it looks the same as.
Yeah, but it just looks nicer. It's more clear. This is the same shit, just looking through the
It's
windows.
fucking scary though. This shit
Yeah.
fell on it.
It just looks nice because there's no windows, they mostly block the
view.
view. Like, you can take a nice picture and stuff. Yo, my boy, Big W, Big L.
It's just kind of
Huh?
Yeah, there's a lot of empty space here. A lot of empty space. So that's why we're
Oh,
we're
yeah.
quiet this video.
Yes, sir.
There's not
No,
enough
it's,
to talk about here. But it has good size to it. We got to walk around a bit. But
oh, yeah, big as hell.
yeah, it's just
Yeah.
man.
So, 1 out of 10. Big 6? Big 6?
Nah,
Big 7?
I think it's like a 4.
4?
4.5.
4.5?
4.7.
Alright, my boy. What's your opinion, man? Big L, Big W.
I gotta say, man, it's a big
Big L.
controversial decision, but it's not my day today.
How you doing?
It's a little messy. We should have been here like 3 hours ago.
Well, that was
Explain what happened.
his fault. His fault.
Okay, look, we're gonna explain what happened.
Alright,
because
explain.
Our cameraman is the biggest capper in the world right now. Roof Explorers. He's the biggest capper on earth.
Me?
So, look.
Explain.
Okay, look. So we have the location on our phones.
Alright.
We're trying to look for the entrance.
Alright.
We see a fence.
Lies?
Huh?
Still lies.
We see a fence.
not a lie.
All you gotta do is take a big step and you're in.
Okay.
Oh, actually, we'll record it. I'll record it for you.
This guy was too scared. He was like,
I wasn't scared. It just
let's
wasn't safe.
Let's take the other way. where
Because there's
the
less
pe-
cars the other way.
Like 30 minutes.
Yes,
in the
so
other
about
way.
like, I don't know, like 15, 20 minutes to get to
So you
like,
telling me it was a waste of time?
to get like to a railroad track
Uh-huh.
where there's trucks coming and coming. We have to duck and duck and duck.
We almost got caught.
We almost got
'cause
caught.
someone.
Okay, that was on me. Okay, look. I was checking both ways to make sure we can go back on time. And I was
Alright.
kind of like, and then I saw a truck, so I dipped. Right? I dipped.
I mean,
Nah, this man looks jogging, and I'm like, there's a fucking truck right here, and this man doesn't even run. He just still jogs. He doesn't
Okay.
give a shit.
But after that, we like coming back down. I think we should have like went back to the fence. This guy
Uh-huh.
was debating, just wanted to go home.
because it was an L.
And
We
then
took an L.
we walked to the fence.
Uh-huh.
Nothing there, man.
Obviously, you could just take a step and you're
All you
in.
gotta do is take
There's,
one
there's
little
no
step.
there's no cars coming.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
on the streets. There's
Mhm.
cars coming all the time. There's no cars coming. This guy didn't want to do it. He's too scared. I don't know
I
why.
wasn't scared.
He's too scared.
I was just,
Looking at
there's
the
like
title.
30
We
cars
did it,
every
like,
minute, every
2 or 3
minute.
times walk by.
Every minute.
Explorers is scared of the type.
He had to go. Use
Every minute there's a car
he
coming
used
by.
his drone,
I found my
and
drone
he still wasn't sure about doing it.
just to get him to maybe do it, and he still didn't want to do it.
Hey man, there's hella
It
cars
wasn't until
coming.
we took a step in there until he was like,
He was the last one.
Yeah, the last
fucking
one in
climbing.
No, I wasn't.
look,
That took
I'm
forever.
just saying we could have been done we could be going home right now. We could be going home right now. We could have caught the person who did the
We
fire.
could have caught the person who did that.
No,
I can't
I mean,
see.
we could caught him right now. He's probably here.
I don't know.
We should go find out.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Big